Flower head ass. Airport moods. Slide into your bitch DMs like.
Holla at them. Holla at them folk.
Hey, yeah, bitch.
9:20. We're going to fucking emo night. Na. If this isn't the most wholesome episode you've ever shot, I don't know what you shot.
Have a conversation of why you have a fire extinguisher next to your bed.
Oh, God,
What did you guys do last night? You and the fire extinguisher? Cause she looks pretty upset. Did you touch her the wrong way? What did you do to the fire extinguisher? The fuck is going on? I can't go to sleep. I can't get no rest. You know what I'm saying? Because when I'm sleeping, this motherfucker want to get a fire extinguisher. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I'm going to go downstairs and they're going to tell me he lit the bar on fire. I don't know what this motherfucker done did. Like the problem child, man. The fuck is going on?
Today. Hey, representing the champions. Bitch.
Oh shit. All my friends seem to fucking hate me. Cause I'm doing what? Tell them, bro.
You ain't gonna tell him shit. Nah.
You already know.
You already know.
Like, we look a little bit alike, and yeah, it's lit. Who direct videos, send me some clips in. I look sweaty because your boy do the face routine, you dig? Send me videos of your work, though. It is a rock spaceship astronaut cowboy. There you go. Wait. Happy face. There you go. Ooh. Trying to click him in a next. Niggas let a ball, we on his cash. I said, yo, ready to fucking kill shit. Bring that shit back, boy. That boy needs some milk. What did you say? I'm gonna keep on killing it. It's a little cooler than you already know. Is this going on the vlog?
This is the vlog, you know.
Oh shit, it's the fucking vlog. For sure. Bro.
Oh my god, I love you.
I love all of y'all.
Oh my god.
Thank you so much. Yeah. No, extra small, unfortunately, is a must.
Are you in a relationship right now?
He the real Lil Xan? Nah, I'm the real Lil Xan. Hey boy, how many SoundCloud followers you got? None.
Rolling in the beamer, popping beam, I'm in the beamer. Hey. Put my weed in, it ain't every day.
I love you, Diego.
Yeah, he looks so cute. Good. Give me good.
Poncho and Polo.
Hey, well, y'all have a cute dog. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
His aesthetic goes stupid. I love it.
Kitty.
He's a branding genius. Uh-oh.
He is.
He might smack you. Oh, okay.
Smack me. Ooh.
Yeah, see, look.
Oh, shit.
He, he gets aggressive, man. One time he walked up to Landon Cube and smacked him in the fucking face in the middle of an interview.
Shit.
Who's Landon Cube signed to?
I don't know, but, you know. I don't know. I'm not sure that he.
Lil Xan, you listening to Between. Things don't make you, things gon' take you.
When you play a trick on me, happy birthday to the young king. He fucked me up on tour, dumping water on me. Now he has cake all over him. This is the greatest day of his life.
Your hat landed in the cake, so.
My hat didn't land in the cake. Happy birthday. That's my dog, man. I love you, man. Happy birthday, man.
Pull this up.
Don't make me get involved.
Okay. You gotta bring your body towards me.
Because I'm laughing. That made me laugh, bro.
Shh, nobody talk.
Okay.
Just. Mother.
I knew you were gonna drop it.
Open his eye. Open his eye. Open his eye.
I can't.
He's closing it. I see. Jacob, open your fucking.
I know.
Bro, I'm getting it. You got it.
What?
I said, if you say yes,
That's not real.
So I ask myself, do I let you go or do I keep you in the frame of my mind?